Hello everyone, let's explore some exciting improvements in using MediaQuery in Flutter 3.10. Surely, we have all used MediaQuery of context.size many times to get the screen dimensions of the current device, or MediaQuery of context.padding to handle padding-related features. However, calling MediaQuery of context like that can lead to unexpected errors. So, what has changed in Flutter 3.10, and how can we now use MediaQuery more efficiently? Let's find out. Below, I will show you the clearest example of when you use the syntax mentioned. I will start a completely new Flutter project and create two screens, home screen and detail screen. In home screen, I simply want to set the size of a container based on the screen size using the MediaQuery of context.size syntax. And add a log with print home screen build, so that I'll know whenever home screen rebuilds. Furthermore, in the onPressed function of the floating action button, we will navigate to the details screen when the button is pressed. In the details screen, we will add a log with print detail screen build to track builds. However, we won't use MediaQuery of context.size here. Instead, let's create a text field widget positioned in the center of the screen. Alright, with the project structure set up, let's now dive into the heart of the matter. Please pay attention. Every time I focus on the text field on the detail screen, the home screen logs a message. When we close the keyboard in Flutter, the View Insets property in MediaQuery is continuously updated due to changes in the bottom padding when interacting with the text field. Widgets that are listening to the context of MediaQuery will be affected and will rebuild each time View Insets changes. Specifically in this example, the container is using MediaQuery to obtain width and height, so it depends on the value of MediaQuery. This can lead to various issues, such as application lag or stutter when closing the keyboard, unnecessary widget re-rendering when closing the keyboard. These issues can affect the user experience and app performance, so it's important to find a more efficient way to handle the changes in View Insets caused by keyboard interactions. Solution: change MediaQuery of context.size to MediaQuery size of context. And here is the result. You can see that the home screen won't rebuild when opening or closing the keyboard. This helps improve the application's performance. I believe that with small changes in Flutter 3.10, we can significantly improve app performance. Small code details you pay attention to can become the building blocks of a smoother application. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck on your app development journey.